I'm going to be teaching y'all how to do my last animation. So you're gonna want to have a sketch and like an actual fully drawn and rendered version. Then you're gonna want to have a green reference window and drag it across the screen as I've shown here. Now you're gonna export it into a light motion, and it's gonna look something like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna import your main image into Ibis Paint. You're gonna want to, as seen here, you're gonna want to click image, make sure it's transparent, and then upload it into here. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to match it to the video. Now I've since adjusted it to make it better. I don't think the clips are here, but I did end up switching it around and clipping it over. And I'm right here in editing mode realizing this now. But you're going to want to have this and then add your already existing image. You're going to want to match it to your sketch image as best as you can. My sketch is a little different than my final product, so it's shown a little differently. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch the main fully rendered version over the video that I've recorded here. And then what you're going to want to do is check it to make sure that it looks okay. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the bottom one and you're going to go to media. And then you're going to add a square and then adjust that to fit the white square that your image is in. It can be any color at this point. But after this, you're going to want to have it adjusted to that. And then you're going to want to duplicate the rectangle after you move it under your main drawing layer. You're going to want to duplicate it. And then you're going to make both of the rectangles white, as shown in the video. Give it a second. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the top one, and then you're going to want to start actually like tweening your video. And then now with your fully tweened version, you're going to go you're going to stretch your rectangles to fit the entire video. As shown, just clicking and dragging those arrows to the very end of the video. Then what we're doing is we are going to go to the bottom one, and what we're really going to do is we're going to go to green screen chroma key, and we're going to match the color of our green square to the eyedropper. So there's going to be a little eyedropper tool that is green where the green arrow is currently. You're going to click that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to move the cursor to where your green originally is. It's messing up a little right here, but it will get better, I swear. Just really trying to get that green really in picture. And once you get your green, it'll show it in a second. I'm really struggling here. Give it a second. But basically, then you're going to group the two rectangles together. It's just what I did. It makes the entire layering process easier in itself. And then you're going to move the video one to the very top of all of them. Then what you're going to want to do is you're finally going to go back to that chroma key effect. And you're going to move that dropper cursor thing right back to that green square. It can be any shade of green, really. Then you'll finally have your product. As you can see, it shows your tweened version. I've tweened mine to just go up and down and left and right. But basically that's it. Then you can just rewatch your entire video to where it makes sense in a way. You can just enjoy your finished product. Make sure to add some type of audio. It can be any audio whatsoever. And I hope you have a good day. And yeah.